any Donnie B's outside?
I wonder if there's any Donnie B's outside.
If there's any Donnie B's outside?
Well, there's a frog, but I don't know if it's a Donnie B.
Because if it's a Donnie B's, then we should get away from the B's.
Donnie B's is very bad. I don't like being anywhere near Donnie B's.
Yeah.
Donnie B's is
Donnie
nice.
B's wrong.
He's not really good.
Ah, is that a Donnie B?
No, that's a fly. It's like flaw. It's like a Cody flaw.
A Cody flaw?
It's a Cody flaw.
Flaw?
They like Cody flaws
I
outside.
think there might be a snake. A cherry snake.
Oh my god. It might be Cody snake outside. I will, I'm trying to think of somebody's name, but I just can't do it.
Okay.
Well, it's so hard that if I put a goob on the tail, it'll melt.
Maybe some bones like beetle bones.
Oh my god, that was pretty good. Like the bone that my dog's chewing. Yeah, very bones.
Like beetle bones.
Very bones. Yeah. What else do we have here? But is that a tank? Is that a Niko tank?
Niko tank.
I can't come up with any of them.
Benz, like a Chris and a Brendon Benz.
I was gonna bring up that you motherfucker because I seen it pass by. But I don't know. I don't like Benz much.
Tuba, like a Nicky dog.
I didn't know if you like any tubes, but I didn't know about any tubes, but I don't know this.
But I like Benz.
I like most of the Benz. Oh my god, this is Donnie B. Get right from the stairs, this is Donnie B.
Hey Jen, what are you doing?
I know, I'm giving Gary Kissinger.
A Gary Kissegers.
I'll give you Gary Kissinger. Let's do, you know what? I want to go to like an MD or hospital hotties, because you know like BrandonMD.
Yeah.
I had to mention him in there any way possible. Even though it was corny, I had to mention him.
That's crazy good.
It's crazy. It's crazy.
Hey Jen, you look like a man, an Anthony man.
Motherfucker. Hey Savannah, that's something to do with because you're going out stunning man. I got it! Dude, I don't know. That was H, like in Holly NJ, Holly Bones. Holly Bones, guys, Holly Bones.
If you see that plastic at night, that looks like a man in a hoodie sweatshirt. But right now, it doesn't look like that.
It looks like Paul Bird. Guys, it looks like Paul Bird.
It looks like Paul Bird.
Who else we got here, man? Who else we got here? Guys, I want to go NYC. I want to see Kevin NYC. Cause like
Samuel Melayz.
Samuel Melayz.
Samuel Melayz.
No, I'm supposed to go hit coach number 2 and get ball. I'm Melayz.
I'm Samuel Melayz.
Okay, that was for no reason.
Here we are. It's a nice, beautiful driveway today. There we go. Coming down the stairs, like the beautiful driveway. Here you go, and Jen, what are you doing, Jen? Jen, what are you doing?
Sleeping.
You're sleeping. You're sleeping on the floor?
Going.
Okay, bye. Okay, we're walking again in the beautiful driveway. We're walking in the beautiful driveway. We're walking. Hey, Jen? What you doing, Jen?
Tanning.
You're tanning, Jen.
Yeah.
Why are you tanning, Jen?
Trying to answer your tanning. Don't question. Okay.
Alright, Jen. Bye, Jen.
Guys, say hi. Say hi. It's not a picture, it's recording. Oh, that was a guy that's next to my pizza place because I'm ordering food because I'm a fat ass.
That's nice.
I don't know what she's doing, man. It'd be funny if the door was locked up. Oh.
Oh my god, it's just like a 5 seconds in Italy.
What?
Like 5 seconds in Italy.
Hey, listen. So I'm walking, right? I'm walking up to the pizza place. Nowhere place. A pole comes out of nowhere, but I didn't want. But out of nowhere, just listen. I got a steak sandwich.
Okay.
Nobody's perfect. I gotta work it. I get it. Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody gets that way. Everybody's know what I'm talking about. Everybody makes mistakes. Alright.
No.
What are you doing?
First some Chinese geisha. How cool Chinese geisha. Hey, rumba.
Start getting scary.
Hey, rumba, baby. Hey, rumba.
Everybody makes mistakes.
Everyone has those days. Everyone knows what I'm talking about. Everybody gets that way.
No one is perfect.
I gotta work it again and again till I get it right.
Yeah, okay.
4.
You got 4?
Yeah.
Alright, you can't make a sour face.
You serious?
Yeah. And if you do, you can't spit them out. Okay?
Alright. Long.
I'm staring at you.
You made a fucking sour face first.
No!
Yeah.
Lower the face, you didn't do it.
Well, let me show you.
Yeah, okay. For the one? Yeah, alright. You can't make a sour face. You serious? Yeah. And if you do, you can't spit it out. Okay? Whoa.
Here you go.
Fight with Sherry, and you will see Sherry snake fly.
I want that. Cherry snake? Oh, Cherry going over Gino number 1 sniper and Cherry number 1 chainsaw.
You recording a video?
Oh my god, I'm making a video for me to begin that. I just think y'all gotta listen. Now you only got 9 seconds, 8 seconds, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bye. Okay.
You guys know I have a singing career, right? Bitch, champagne, bitch, champagne, bitch, champagne, bitch. So I'm gonna sing violin, okay? How does it go?
I'm so sick. Alright.
I will break! I will break!
You're so loud.
Let me live without this emptiness, selfishness. Yes, I'm so sick. Yes, I'm so sad. Yes, I'm so sad. Okay.
Okay.
I did good. The demons! Okay.
Stop. Now do the bunny hop. Hey, do the bunny hop.
Hop. Hop. Hop. Hop. I'm squirrel.
Where's your money? Turn around.
Stop.
Oh, money. I got a tail.